Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are in the early stage of starting a business or launching an online store, I want to stick around because today I be showing you step by step how you can get a free trial from Shopify. To get started. Just head down to the description below and find a link for a free 3-day trial. When that trial period is up, you can enjoy 3 additional months of Shopify service for just $1 each. It's the best deal out there right now. You don't so don't miss out. Head down to Shopify, type in your email and click start a free trial. Once you be done all that, I have to answer the same brief question about any experience you might have with building a website. Not to worry if you don't. Shopify make the process simple for you, and I get the hand of it really fast for those already selling product online or in person. You can click on the option to migrate your site to Shopify. But if you are just getting started, you can let them know and then click next. No, think about where you want your product to be sold. If you are thinking strictly line online, check this option, which will set up your account for create your own e-commerce website. If you are got an exciting website or blog, Shopify can help you add a buy button. If you are looking to sell on platform like eBay, Amazon or Google, you should check the online marketplace option. Shopify can integrate with them, allowing you to add your store across different platforms. If you are not quite sure about all of this yet, that okay, you can always revisit this option later on in the Shopify dashboard. On the flip side, if you are running a brick and mortar store, a pop-up market, or something similar, select that box. If you are planning to sense your store with Facebook and Instagram shop or other social media channels, making sure to check the option to Shopify will then add all necessary integration to your account so you can work with them seamlessly. Once that don't hit the next button again to consider the product you plan to offer. You have server choose here. This cloud be product you personally buy or Shopify will then add all the necessary integration to your account so you can work with them seamlessly. Once that don't hit the next button again, no, consider the product you plan to offer. You have server choose the here. This called be products you personally buy or make and ship yourself. Drop shipping product print on demand item or digital product and service. If you're unsure about want to sell, you can always do some research or explore Shopify app integration like app Sonic Scanning or AutoGS, which help you find product to sell. IV personally solar product IV made before, but recently I've been trying my hand and at dropshipping. If you're serious about dropshipping and want to learning more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regardless post new video on dropshipping to help you along. After setting up your store, Shopify will generate your new account and UIC the Shopify dashboard from here. You can click on select a plan based on your data. Shopify will suggest a plan tailored to your specific need. For example, if you are focusing on direct face-to-face sale, the right retail plan may work for you, as it includes a point of sale option. However, if you are starting a new e-commerce store, I suggest going for the basic plan, as it covers all the essential for building and expanding your online store. In my case, I choose the basic plan. Once you make your selection, you will be taken to the payments page where you will enter your payment information. You can choose to pay annual or monthly with a rate varying slightly depending on your choose. After adding your payment detail, all that left in to subscribe. Once completely, you will be taken back to the Shopify dashboard. Thank you for watching.